Hi, my kids is good.
Hi, Archie. Get this. I think we gotta go get. Ganyan pa ang cake pa. Hi. Kailangan ko na ito ilagay sa freezer. Ito yung binili natin sa Filipino shop. Tapos, my favorite. Tommy. Tapos yung green peas. Paborito ko ito, guys. Tatlo to, diba? Saan yung isa? Dalawa lang. Corned beef. Dalawa. And Delimundo. Ayan, so mamaya mag-haul tayo. Kailangan ko papatulugin si Kai. Kunin ko muna si Kai sa car, tapos patulugin sa taas. Na mamaya ko na din ito kakainin. And mamaya na din natin gawin yung ibang haul. So, lagay ko muna ito sa freezer kasi baka matunaw. May kalamansi din tayo. Ayan. Tulog na si Kai, guys. Kanina pa siya tulog. Actually, nagigahiga lang ako with him. Ayan. So, medyo may maingay dito kasi yung sister ko naglilinis ng bahay. Naglilinis siya ng bahay. Anyway, ito yung mga nabili ko sa Big W. Bilisan ko baka kasi magising. Kai needs more onesies. Mga ganito. Ito yung pinapantulog niya kasi medyo malamig pag gabi kasi nag-aircon kami. Tapos naka-andar pa yung fan kasi pag naka-off naman, mainit naman, guys. So, wala kaming choice talaga. So, ito yung sinusuot niya pag gabi. Mura lang to eh. Hindi ko na alam magkano to, guys. Parang, hindi ko na alam. $6 ba to? Ito, $8. Ayan. May $8 siya. So, kinuha, may iba't ibang kulay doon. But yeah, I got this. And then, ito, nakabili ako for me. T-shirt lang siya. $3 lang to. Naka-sale to, guys. $3 lang to. Tingnan nyo. And then, ito yung mga nakasale na pinakita ko sa inyo na very cheap. So, $3, $4. Kay to, short. I got him the size 2. And then, ito yung t-shirt na $3 lang, dalawa. I got this print na may dinosaur yan. And then, yung isa din, dinosaur din ba to? Wala. Plain lang siya na white. Ayan. Size 1 naman sa t-shirt. And ito malaki pa sa kanya, pero pwede din naman niya masuot. Size 2 naman pala. Ayan. Sando lang siya na tie-dye. Ang ganda ng pagka-tie-dye niya. And then, I have more. So, ito iniisip ko talaga kung bibilhin ko or hindi. Pero sabi ko, ang cute kasi, terno kami ni Mia, B. And, saan to siya? Sa kids section. I've got the size 16.
Oh, so cute.
Kasya siya sa akin. Tapos nung sinukat ko nga, maganda siya i-partner dito sa skirt.
Oo.
Ayan. Tapos ito kay Mia. Size 8 yung sa kanya. Feeling ko mas malaki pa to kay Mia.
Kaya mas lalaki naman siya. Magagamit
Yeah.
niya for the
And maganda din yung loob niya. Parang fleece siya sa loob. So, yes. Ang cute. Ano siya? Stitch. You are my Ohana. Anong Ohana?
Si Ohana, ang babae.
You are my Ohana. Yeah.
Hindi Ohana, nasaya ha, ang babae niya partner.
Ganun yung pink.
Natawo.
Tawo si Ohana. Ayan. Ang cute niya. And then, we have paper bag. Ayan, gising na. Sabi ko na nga ba, magigising eh. And ito, binili ko to kay Kai. And then, he has a bluey. Mahilig siya uminom sa water bottle ng kapatid niya. Sabi ko, bilhan ko siya ng ganito na may mga print-print din. Kasi pambabae yung water bottle ni Mia. And doon siya umiinom, guys. Gustong-gusto niya. So sabi ko, bilhan ko siya ng bluey para pang malaki.
Malaki.
Oo, gusto niya yung malaki. So, yung maliit na B-box, milk niya yun. And then I have this B, oh. Supports hair health, reduce blow dry time. Soft and absorbent. Para sa buhok, ayan. Minsan kasi, di ba sabay kami maligo ni Kai? Tapos after niya maligo, guys, antok na siya, tulog na siya agad. Eh, yung buhok ko, basa pa! Hindi ko matadry agad-agad. So, yung towel, nilalagay ko sa unan. Mabasa. Anyway, I've got this as well. Ayan. And then, ito, naka-sale siya doon. So, ito yung ginagamit ko pang wash for the kids. Ayan na nga, nakatayo na. Nakatayo siya, pero umiiyak siya. Oh. Meron namang time na hindi siya umiiyak pag nagising. Kaninang umaga, umupo lang siya. Hindi siya umiyak. This is for Mia. Ayan. Tapos meron din tayo mga toys na binili. So, ito pang gift natin. Ayan. And then, meron akong nappy. Nasa labas. So, ito yung nappy big. Or ito yun. Isa din yun sa mga i-gift natin para sa Sunday. And ito talaga yung gustong-gusto ni Kai. Ayan. Ito yung pinipress-press niya. So, ito na lang. Iniwan ko na lang yung guitar, guys. So, ito na lang yung kinuha ko. Ayan, diba? Grabe na yung iyak niya. Kunin muna natin siya. Where's the vacuum? Huh? Go up here. Look. Look. Mama. Mama is in the video. Oh, Mommy is taking a video. You want green peas? You want green peas? Look. Oh, your toy! Oh, wow! Oh, let's open this one. Oh, let's open this one. Kulang ata tulog na to. No. Wait. Open this one. Do you know what's this one? Oh, wow! This is Kai-Kai's. Kai-Kai can ride. Atong yun, naboy ko na. Oh, wow! What is this? Wow! You wanna ride? Oh! What? Ha? Ang magiging ano niya? Yung tudlo niya. Oh! Ay! Oh no! Oh, the water. Oh. This one. Diin! Oh, the ball! You want the ball? Di lang, madumi ang ball. Dirty. Wait, mommy wipe. Mommy wipe. Lagay na natin dito to. Ayan. Gusto to ni Kai actually. Let's just put it here. Tapos yung nappy, naka-sale siya sa Big W, guys. Parang $38 na lang. Ayan. Oh, wow! Oh, no! It's gone again! How about this? You wanna play this? Let me take off the thing. Kanina mo pa nilalaglag yan. Oh. Hold it. So, gusto niya talaga itong trap na to. Oh. Wait, mommy will just... Pochi, stay there. Naglalaban na din yung kapatid ko, guys. Friday today. Friday, Saturday kami naglalaba. No. Friday, Saturday. Kasi may mga natira pa talagang damit ng Friday na kailangan labhan. Kailangan labhan. Ay, that's dirty. Mommy have to wash that. Dirty. Oh, hi, Lian. This is Mary. I miss your call.
Oh, hello. I
Hi.
think we've been trying to organise your trial for your daughter, haven't we?
Yeah, yeah.
And then I think you were supposed to come on Tuesday or one of the days, so then...
Yeah, I forgot about it. Yeah.
I know. Okay. I know you told me last year, like, oh, I forgot. And I was like, oh, fine, come again. And then you're like, oh, no, I forgot. So how many days commitment do you do ballet?
Only Saturdays.
Oh, only Saturdays. Okay,
Yeah.
cool. All right. Can you come? What days are better, Tuesday or Thursday?
I think Tuesday's better. She's got swimming on Thursday.
Again, sorry?
Swimming. She goes swimming on Thursday.
swimming.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to come in on a Tuesday? Do you want to come in this Tuesday? Will you remember?
Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Not tomorrow.
No,
Next
Tuesday.
week. Yeah, Tuesday. Yeah, yeah.
The 10th.
The 10th. Yep. Okay.
Write that in your diary.
Yes. I will set my alarm.
Yeah, so the 10th, come on the 10th, and the time will be 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. Okay. No worries. Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so come in, and then we'll see. I'll put it in my little note.
Yep.
And then it goes from 4 o'clock to 7 o'clock. the trial.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Right, so put it in your phone, and then she's with Lily, but I'll see you on Tuesday anyway.
Okay. No worries.
All right.
Thank you, Leanne.
Lovely.
Thanks.
You're welcome, sweetheart. We'll see you then.
See you.
darling.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay. Anong mamala? Ang floor?
Floor.
Finally, we got it sorted! We got it sorted! My goodness, guys. You know, Mia's gymnastics, we supposed to go, I don't know, 3 weeks ago sa, parang meron siyang another trial para sa kanyang squad. So, di ba, last vlog ko, hey, you cannot have this. It's very small. So, last vlog ko, di ba, nag-try out siya for the squad trial. And tapos, after how many days, they rang me and told me na Mia is qualified, overqualified actually. Because, yeah, sa ano niya, sa, tawag dito, what do you call that? Sa skills niya, so, she's overqualified for that trial. So, they want her to do another trial para sa ibang squad na naman. Purple squad ata tawag dun. So, yeah. And then they set a date for us to go sa trial na yun. And then I totally forgot about it. Kasi, nawala lang siya sa isip ko talaga that time. Tapos na-realize ko na the next day, sabi ko, oh no, Tuesday pala tayo yesterday. So, kailangan namin pumunta nung Tuesday na yun. But yeah, I emailed the gymnastics, and they didn't get back to me until now lang. So, sabi nga niya, nakalimutan din niya na balikan ako. Kasi nag-email ako eh. So, nakalimutan din niya na i-contact ako ulit. So, ngayon, finally. So, yes. So, we reschedule it. Sabi niya, reschedule it next week. Next week, Tuesday. And sana hindi ko makalimutan. Kasi si Mia, she's been asking me, Mommy, when am I gonna go back to my gymnastics? And wala. Nakalimutan ko talaga. Sabi ko, wait for the call. Kasi hindi pa sila, they didn't get back to me yet. Excited na siya. She's been, ayaw ko talaga. Basta gusto niya kasi balintong. I don't know. Mag-climb. Oh, ako na yung binigyan. Isa lang yung binigay kay Mami. Hindi ka pwede nito. Kay. Maliliit to. Kaya naman niya kagatin. May ngipin na siya eh. But this is not healthy. Oh, binigyan pa ako ng isa. Isa lang. This is not healthy. Okay, let's do another haul. This is the Kohl's haul. Ay, kita mo lang. You wasted it. Konti lang yung Kohl's haul natin. So, we have oil there. Naka-sale yung oil nila. $15 lang. So, half price. We have grapes, strawberries, and onions. Kasi ubos na ang onions namin. No. So that's everything. Lagay ko lang to sa fridge. Ay, paper towel pa ito. Sa gilid. Hindi ko na...
Pero hindi ko gusto meatballs.
Ah, ito pala yung kay...
Sa meatballs, I think.
Ah. Siya naging mo sa meatballs. So, binili niya lang.
Pero hindi ko dapat mahilig sa meatballs.
Ito yung kay Mia na ano natin, ibibigay mamaya. So, ito, ubos na to. Ito na lang talaga yung natira. No, you want grapes? After your lunch na, magkain ka pa. Pakainin ko muna itong anak ko. Hindi pa nakakain. Nakain na. Let's go and pick up Ate Mia. Iniwan ko lang si Kai, guys, kasi nandun naman yung kapatid ko. Kasi ang init. Every time I pick up Mia, ganitong oras, sobrang init talaga. Tapos, hawakan ko siya, papunta sa room. Kailangan pa namin maglakad and everything. So, sobrang init. Wala pa siyang sunscreen. So, as much as possible, pag may tao sa bahay, gusto ko siyang iwan lang muna sa bahay. Ako na lang mag-pick up. Friday today, so merong food trucks dyan sa park malapit dito. But I don't know if we're going there kasi last week pumunta kami dun. Lahat kami kasama si V. 38 degrees maximum ata today. Kaya lang, I don't know what to order. I have bangus, I have milkfish. Kasi pag wala akong, hindi ko alam anong lulutuin, we just go there. Pero I've got bangus. Maybe I'll cook the bangus and then what else should I cook? Bangus lang. Bangus lang yung meron ako. We will see. Kasi pag, di ko alam kung meron silang Filipino barbecue doon mamaya. Normally, meron silang Filipino barbecue. So, we will see kung makakabutan tayo ng park. Very hot, guys. Okay. Can I have some? We've got the blackcurrant one. You like the blackcurrant one?
Huh?
You like the blackcurrant one? The flavor. So Friday, meron silang $1 Supa Dupa.
No, not yet.
Okay. Uy, ang init. How's school today, Bob?
Well, it was a bit bad. It was so sweet.
It was a bit bad. Why?
So bad.
Why?
Is it a pasta?
What's inside?
What's inside? Oh, it's so big.
What inside? What's inside?
Oh!
Oh, what is it? What is it? It's not a sticker. Oh, what's inside? Open, open, open. I wanna see. Rare one! This is the rare! Oh, this one.
Yeah, it's so cute.
Oh, she's got the rare one. This is the common one and this is the rare. She's got the pink one. Hello! Ah, rubbish. No, it's a rubbish, a rubbish. No, it's a rubbish. Hello! What did you do upstairs? Huh? What did you do? Oh, that's Ate's bag. Ate is home! Laban natin yung hat ni Ate. Wala na, iniwan niya lang dito. Diba? Bubu. Si Kai. The ball again. Don't put in the mouth. Si Mia may pa-envelope na naman siya sa bag niya. Oh. Ito yung laman. Nag-ABCD siya, guys. Sinulat niya yung ABC, small letter, at saka big letter. Tapos may pa, I love you, mama pa dyan. Oh, I love you, mama. I love hearts and stars. Good job, ate. Nung isang araw, sinulat niya yung mga numbers naman. Up to 100, ano yun? Basta ang galing-galing niya na magsulat ng mga letters and numbers. Yeah! Oh my God! Walang laman. Ubus talaga niya, guys. Nuggets yung lunch niya kanina eh. Ubus din, oh. Ano yung nilagay ko dito? Blueberry tsaka grapes. Tapos dito, nuggets. Yeah, nuggets, cheese ring, cookies. Dito yung maliliit mini cookies. And then grapes dito. Naubos niya lahat. Ate, you wanna eat this? Grapes and the nuggets. Let's check it out. You're not hungry. It's nuggets.
You want to see my lunch?
Oh, yeah, I did. I saw already.
I eat everything.
Oh, well done, babe. It's nuggets.
I want a bigger nugget.
Yeah, and just slice it for Kai. Are you okay? I'll hold it. Look at that cake. Oh, andun na siya. Don't lose your ball. Oh, nauntog ka? Ball. Good job. Say ball. Hugasan natin to. Ate, there's more nuggets here. Ate. Come get it. Mommy have to wash. Oh no, where is your... Oh no, Kai. Oh. Nuggets. The hammer is there, ate.
Where?
There. Hindi na si Kai. Naglalaro lang siya sa playpen niya, guys. Nakalo. Mahilig kasi siya pumunta sa taas mag-isa. So, tinitingnan ko siya kung pupunta siya sa taas. Kasi nakikita ko yung reflection niya dito sa glass door. So, alis na naman kami, guys. Punta kami ng bahay ni Baking Mama. Pick up kami ng taho. Bigyan niya ako taho, guys. So, kaming timing. Kasi marami daw nag-order sa kanyang taho. So, sabi niya, bigyan niya ako kasi madami daw. So, sabi ko, yay! Meron akong taho. Sabi ko, na-miss ko na yung taho niya. Kasi every Thursday, di ba may swimming si Mia, guys? Kasabay ni Mia yung anak niya. Pero sa ibang teacher, ibang coach. Bahay na kami, guys. Nag-order ako ng Yema cake sa tin. And then, ito na yung taho natin. Salamat po! Salamat po! Ayan. And then, ito yung sago. Hoy, kay ka ba? Nakapasok na naman. So, this is the Yema cake. Tapos, ito yung taho. Taho yan. Taho yan. Taho. Dito na siya sa taas. So, go and shower na.
Can I eat one?
Tignan niyo siya, nangihingi. Yum!
Can I have another one?
You have to go shower na, babe.
Another one?
Ang sarap ng Yema cake ni ate talaga. Bili kayo, guys. This one is $38 yung sa tin.
I want the key.
Tapos 18 yung maliit. Tingnan niyo to. Gusto niya din, oh. No, tingnan niyo, ipa-dance-dance pa yan, oh. Sarap na sarap siya, oh. Sarap, guys. Oh, Lord.
My phone. I forgot. My phone's still on. Need my phone.
Ang yaman niya sa ano?
Yeah, Mom.
Sa cheese.
I can see it.
Sarap ng cheese.
You can see me?
Ready na. Tingnan niyo. Say more. Say more, please. Use your words, ah. More, please. Say thank you. Tingnan niyo. Thank you. Babalik ulit yan. Tingnan niya mamaya. Yummy.
Stop!
Why?
I need to go up the front so I can see if there's any meals. I need to go to the front.
Let's go to the park. Kaming tatlo lang. Kay there.
I need to go to the front. Have you, Mommy?
Nakabili na kami. Kaya lang gusto pa mag-swing ni Mia. Kaya na yung mga nabili namin, no? Si Kai serious talaga. Oh, sige na, go na. Kai as well? Okay, go. Kumakain na siya ng chicken. Ito yung ating, ang sarap ito, chicken bites, tsaka yung sa Korean na spicy chicken. And rice, that's our ulam. And, oh my gosh, they have our favorite donut there. So, we have kay Mia, chocolate, tsaka pistachio cream. So, paborito ko yung pistachio cream, tsaka yung chocolate caramel nila. But this time, I ordered the pistachio cream. Naglalaro kami, guys. Kakatapos namin kumain. Naglilinis ako. No, I want the other broom. Get the other broom.
Okay.
Sabi niya, Mami, let's play Simon Says. So, yung mga pinapagawa ko sa kanya, yung paglilinis, tinan niya.
Here you are. Simon Says.
Thank you. Simon Says, pick up that toy.
Okay.
I love this game.
I'll pick up everything
So, helper. Simon says,
What else, Mommy?
arrange the table. Chuck the rubbish away.
You chuck the bags away.
Yeah. Good job.
I'll put this in the plate.
Chuck this yeah, chuck that one because that bag is rubbish. This bag. This one and this one. I don't really need this one. So chuck that in the bin.
Can you?
Kaka, are you okay? I told you, you want to play Simon Says, ha? Oh, thank you, babe.
Because that's the
Si
rule
Kaka,
of the
tingnan
game.
niyo.
You know, I need to listen. That's the
Naglaro
rule
siya
of
ng
the
bubbles.
game.
May nagbigay sa amin ng ano. What happened? What? May nagbigay sa amin ng parang leaflets. Para sa, parang daycare siya dito sa, suburb namin. So, nandun sila kanina sa park. Nagbigay sila ng mga information na to. Kinder, ano to? Kinder Park.
Yeah, in the park.
Yeah. So,
Mommy,
book a tour
do I need
here.
to chuck these in the bin? Do I
That's
need to
actually
chuck
really
these in
nice.
the bin? Mommy, do I need to chuck these in the bin?
Yeah, check that in the bin. I don't need that. So,
You
scan
check it
here.
too.
Book a tour. But yeah, we don't need that.
Yeah.
Hala, Kai, did you open this? Puro laway. Anong pinagagawa? Ito yung, may laman siyang biscuit, tsaka, ito. Oh, so di na nagkadto. Ito. Tinuturo na yung floor kasi nawala niya yung pang bubbles. Oh, ate, can you help kay Bubbles? Play with
No,
Bubbles?
can you help?
Simon says, play Bubbles.
Okay.
You cannot say no. No, use the other one, the orange one, because that's Kai.
Pack
Use the orange one. No, he wants to hold the...
Pactopies.
Oh, here, Kai.
Pactopies. Pactopies.
Gusto niya lang hawakan ka.
Pactopies.
Okay. Simon says, play Bubbles. Oh, you cannot, because it will spill on the floor. Gusto niya pabuksan, guys.
I need that one. It's already open.
Maghugas na ako ng pinggan.
Okay, so this is the only place it can go, sir.
You play with the other Kai. Oh, where is he going? Oy!
Mommy, are we...
Come here. Come here.
Mommy, aren't we still playing Simon Says?
Come here.
Mommy, aren't we
Can you
still
check?
playing Simon Says?
Oh no! Hello people! Tulog na yung mga bata kanina pa. And meron pa akong laundry na kailangan gawin. So, andito tayo. Kailangan natin ihang to. Meron pa tayong bukas na yung iba for sure. Kasi sayang yung ating solar pag i-on natin to. So, bukas na lang yung iba kasi late na din guys. What time na ba? 10 na ata. Yeah, 10:27. Ayan. So, late na din. And tulog na sila kanina pa ako. Scroll sa aking SOCMED. And nakalimutan ko na may gagawin pa. Kailangan ko din mag-edit ng vlog. So, ayan. Si Mia at si Kai. Tulog silang dalawa. Magkatabi. Oh, diba? Kamusta naman yung ating face, guys? Anyway, I'm just gonna hang this and then I'm just gonna edit a vlog kung kaya pa ng aking self. And yun, matutulog na tayo after that. So, ayun guys, thank you for watching our vlog today. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe in our channel if you haven't yet. And subscribe din sa bago kong page, Mommy Mary in Australia. So, may bago tayong page. Nasa description box din siya. So, yeah. Bye, guys.